Link all of your time zones together in MT4. Here's how it's done. Imagine the following. You live here, say in Los Angeles. Your broker is, I don't know, wherever, and his time zone is different. You got 1:43 versus 8:43. And then you've got a signal service that has all of their things in Eastern. What do you do? Now, how do we get them all to work together? Instead of trying to figure out all of the time frames all the time, what if this became this, to where everything was pretty simple? I mean, basically laid out. What if? Okay, so let's look at it. Let's see it in action. Here we go. Okay, let's pretend you're looking at a chart. It's just a blank chart, and you live somewhere, your broker's somewhere, your signals come from somewhere. How do you get them together? Here's how you do it. You take the local time generator and you pull it over onto your chart and you click OK. I have this on a 1-minute chart, so you see the price moving up and down here. I'm going to hover over it, and now I can see it says 1759. Down at the bottom, the MT4 time says, well, it just went on to the next one. The MT4 time says 0:59, and the local time generator down here, it's right in between. You can see here it says 1758 and then 1800. Well, logically 1759 would be right in the middle there. What if you've got some type of signal that expires at a certain time each day, like 3 p.m., 7 p.m., whatever? This one expires at 7 p.m. And right here I can see that if I hover over it, it says 1900, which is 1700 Eastern. I can also see my MT4 time down at the bottom, which is 2:05 or 2 in the morning. Likewise, if I only want a trade to come out at a certain time each day, I will know that, and I'll know it in my own local time frame, because whenever I hover over the arrow, it tells me exactly what time it came out. We usually package everything into Eastern time because that's where the financial center is in New York. There's one drawback to this indicator, and that's the fact that if you run it on a 1-minute chart, it may not, but it may slow your MT4 down. So what I usually do, if I need to get down to the actual 1-minute time frame, I will look for the information that I have, and then I will go back to whatever chart that I'm looking for. Okay, so if this is something you need, I'm going to show you how to get it right now. It's really simple. Type in traderbotmarketplace.com into your URL browser. Use Google Chrome. It's the best that works with my site. You might have an issue with some other browser, I'm not sure. Click on the My Dashboard button. If you're already a member, you can go ahead and enter in your credentials and log in here. If not, just go here to create your account. It will ask you to put in your email, your password, and confirm your password, and then go ahead and click log in. Okay, and when you're inside your dashboard, it's that fast. When you're in your dashboard, go ahead and start reading so you'll know how to use the dashboard. It's a really cool asset to have. And then go down to My Premium Tool Helpers. Click on the local time generator. You will get more indicators as time goes along, but today you will get the local time generator. Click on it and just go click to download this tool. When you download the tool, then you can put it inside your MT4. Go ahead and close this out. Okay, once you've got that closed out, what you're going to want to do is go to your, let me get this, I'm going to get it off the 1-minute time frame. Go to your downloads folder, somewhere on your computer. You're going to have the TraderBot Marketplace local time generator right here. Double click on it to open it up. Do not use WinZip or any third-party zipping application. Those are not needed anymore. Then go all the way back to the file, right click and copy. That file is now copied. Go into your MT4, go to File, Open Data folder, click on MQL4, Indicators, and you can put it anywhere. I will put it inside my file where I want to keep everything. Go down to Paste, and there you go. Over here where it says Navigator, we want to refresh the screen. And there it is, local time generator. All you have to do is pull it over to a chart. So left click and hold down and let it go. There you can see the local time generator up here, and it will move as I move the cursor around. You can also see down here, so you can line it up to the MT4 time. If you need to change the numbers, if you need to change the time to a different time zone, try this again. Local time generator. There we go. If you need to change your time zone, you can play around with this number here. If your time zone is off by just a few hours or whatever, try inputting, 4 hours. Let's pretend that my time zone is not adding up. I want to add up my time zone, so here's how I'm going to do it. First thing is I'm going to go down to the 1 minute time frame. When I'm there, I'm going to open it up as much as I can, and I'm going to put my cursor over the last candle. Now right now it is 6:56 p.m. If you look here, it says 22:56, which is also, no, that's not 6:56. What is 6:56 in military time? It would be 18. So I want this number up here to say 18. I don't want it to say 22. So if I know that 18 is 4 less than 22, I'm going to go up here, and if I already have a 4 in here, I'm going to say, what's 4 less than 22? It's going to be 18. So I'm going to take 4 off of that. 4 minus 4 is 0. There you go. And then I'm going to click it again, and now we are fixed. And you can see that here. Now it's 18:57. So, okay, what if all of your signals are in Eastern only? For instance, every signal that comes out of the probability tool suite is going to show the expiry times in Eastern. All of these are 7 p.m. expiries right here that you see, and they're all in Eastern. So if you live in a different time zone and your broker's in a different time zone, but you need to know that, whatever expires or the trade is over or the trade begins at a certain time each day, you may need the local time generator. So head back on over to TraderBot Marketplace and download it. How many emails will you get from me if you give me your email address? I send one out every couple of weeks or so. I don't send them out every day, nor will I ever. So go grab it. All right, groovy trading. I'll see you next time.